Hello everyone, my name is Susie and I am a dental practitioner currently based in the UK. There are two ways to make your denture. The first way is to have an impression kit. An impression kit is used to take a mold of your teeth using a dough-like material such as alginate or putty. In our Dentix kits, we only use putty as alginate is very messy and difficult to mix, even for me as a dental practitioner. Your putty will come in two parts, a base and a catalyst. Mix them together until you get a uniformed color, roll it into a ball and fit it on the tray. Here, I am placing the putty on an upper tray and making sure that the putty is thicker on the areas where the teeth are so that the teeth can sink into the putty. Once ready, insert the tray into your mouth and the putty will set in 3 to 5 minutes upon mixing. Once you have set the impression mold of your teeth, you will mix 100 grams of dental stone powder with 25 millimeters of water and pour it into the putty mold that you have just made. This is to make a replica copy of your mouth and teeth. Your end product should look like this. Everything you need to make this will be provided in your putty impression kit. It is recommended to get the DIY Dentures Kit, which comes with the putty impression kit. Having the impression kit is also the method that dentists use to create dentures for you professionally. Now, you are ready to make your own dentures. Your kit will come with acrylic gums and resin teeth. Our acrylic gums are a very special material which is very hard at room temperatures and turns soft and moldable like dough when heated. You can heat your acrylic gums using hot water just off the kettle or using a microwave, checking every 10 seconds. Make sure that you do not overheat the acrylic gums or it will be too soft and stretchy like chewing gum. Your acrylic gum should feel like cookie dough when you work with them. Mold the acrylic gum over the denture bearing area of your mouth, making the biting surface a little thicker so that you can insert the resin teeth in. This step should feel like inserting chocolate chips into your cookie dough. It is a fun and simple process as long as you are patient with yourself. Always remember that you are doing the work of a dentist. If you ever mess up, do not worry. Just place the acrylic gum attached to the tooth model into hot water. Our Dentix acrylic gum is a very special and forgiving material. You can adjust and adapt your dentures as many times as you want till it is most comfortable. Just place the model with the dentures in hot water. Always adjust the acrylic gum using the stone model as a base so that you will be able to make the best adjustments and adaptations. The second way to make your dentures is to make it directly from your mouth, without the impression kit. You will sit in front of the mirror and make the dentures directly from your mouth. This is recommended only if you have 3 or fewer teeth that need replacing, where the dentures can be quickly made without much adjusting. It is definitely more comfortable for you to make your dentures with the impression kit. As you know, everyone's teeth will vary in shape and size, and you might have to customize your teeth shape. Our basic kits come with white acrylic beads for you to do that, while our premium kits come with A2 enamel shade composite cement. You can see the differences in aesthetics here. You may also use the A2 enamel shade composite to fill any cavities and chipped teeth that you might have. The composite sets via UV light cure, and it is the same material that dentists use to do fillings. A free filling kit, full instructions and all tools that you will need will come with our do-it-yourself denture premium kits. You are also able to customize the shade of your denture gums. Add red acrylic beads in the kit to make the gums more pink, or add white acrylic beads to make the denture gums less pink. We also provide both individual teeth to fit in as well as wired teeth. It is recommended to get the individual teeth as food and dirt tends to get trapped in the wires. They might start to smell or get rusty, but nonetheless, the wires might assist you in fitting the dentures, especially so if you have no teeth at all. Here is a guide for you to choose which denture kit will best suit you. 1. Do you want an impression kit? And 2. Do you want the premium kit or the basic kit? Check out our denture kits in the description below. You may drop any question in the comments and I will try my best to answer them as soon as possible. And thank you for watching, and I am looking forward to seeing your stunning smiles with our Dentix kits. Love, Susie.